Proton is a Malaysian automotive manufacturer that has been in operation for several decades. Proton Horrible Hearts, commonly known as Proton, was founded on May 7, 1983 under the guidance of Malaysia's former Prime Minister Tan Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. The company was established with the aim of developing Malaysian automotive industry and reducing the country's dependence on imported vehicles. The Proton branch is located all over Malaysia. Proton main headquarters is located in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. And also, Proton collaborate with Mitsubishi Motor Corporations of Japan to gain technical expertise and support. The collaboration resulted in the production of Proton's first car, the Proton Saga, which was based on the Mitsubishi Lancer platform. The Saga was launched in 1985 and became the first Malaysian-made car. Over the year, Proton expanded its model lineup to include various vehicles across different segments. In 2017, Proton entered into a strategic partnership with Zhejiang Zhengli Holding Group, a Chinese automotive conglomerate. Geely acquired a 49.9% stake in Proton, which led to significant change and advancements for the company. Proton product is Proton X70. It's a mid-sized SUV that offers a spacious and comfortable interior. Next is Proton X50. It's a compact SUV that combines style, practicality, and advance of feature. It offers a range of engine options and comes packed with safety features, modern connectivity options, and a well-appointed interior. Other than that, is Proton Persona. It's a compact sedan known for its practicality, fuel efficiency, and affordability. It offers a spacious cabin, comfortable seating, and features such as touchscreen infotainment and advancement of safety system. They also produce Proton Iris, which is a compact hatchback that is versatile and fun to drive. It features a modern design, a well-designed interior, and advanced safety feature. The Iris offers a range of engine options and is popular for its agility and maneuverability. On top of that, Proton Saga is one of the Proton most iconic model. It is a compact sedan that has been staple of the Malaysian automotive market for many years. The Saga is known for its affordability, reliability, and value for money. Lastly is Proton Exora, which is a multi-purpose vehicle that offers seating for 7 occupants. Proton also provides some service where Proton has a comprehensive after-sales service network to support its customer. Proton Service Centre provide various services including regular maintenance service such as oil change, filter replacement, and fluid top-up to keep the vehicle running smoothly. Next is diagnosis and repair of mechanical or electrical issues that may arise in Proton vehicles. They also provide warranty-related repair and services for eligible Proton vehicle. Other than that, they also have a part replacement where replacement of worn out for damaged part with genuine Proton spare part. They also have a body and paint service, and last but not least, they provide a periodic inspection. Proton Vision is a leading global mobility solutions provider, and their mission is to become a leading global automotive brand by designing, manufacturing, and marketing high-quality, technologically and advanced vehicles that meet the needs and preferences of customers. Proton aims to deliver reliable, safe, and innovative vehicles that provide exceptional value and enhance the mobility experience for its customers. Job description for marketing manager in Proton is develop, implement marketing strategy, conduct market research to identify customer needs, preference, and trend, define and communicate Proton unique value proposition and brand positioning, plan and execute advertise and promotional campaign to create a brand visibility, generate leads, and drive customer engagement. Oversee digital marketing initiatives including website management, search engine optimizations, social media marketing, email marketing, and online advertising. Develop and maintain relationship with media outlets, industry, influencer, and key stakeholder. And last but not least, lead and manage a team of marketing professionals providing guidance, support, and performance. The job specification is to have a bachelor degree in marketing, business administration, or a related field is typically required. Previous experience in marketing, preferably in automotive industry or similar field, is highly desirable. Next is ability to think strategically and analyze market trends and develop effective marketing strategy to meet business objective, and also experience in brand positionings and brand messaging and brand equity management. Current practice in terms of the performance appraisal system in the marketing departments of Proton is the forced ranking method. With the forced ranking system, commonly referred to as a rank and yang, employees are ranked within a group according to how well they perform in the comparison to one another. Employees are generally divided into the preset groups such as top performer, average performer, and low performer. Employees are assessed by manager or supervisor based on their performance and their contributions to the company. This review is frequently carried out using both qualitative evaluations such as a feedback from coworker or performer observations and quantitative data such as sale number, productivity indicator or customer satisfaction score. Employees are ranked against their coworker in the departments or team when the assessment are finished. Usually, this rating is done on a curve within a certain number of a worker being assigned to each group. There are a few suggestions that they can use to improve their system. First of all, is that the assessment criteria should be made explicit and distributed in the advance to the staff. Employees will benefit from more openness and better understanding of the evaluation process and ranking criteria. Next is to increase the forced ranking method, emphasize on staff development, regardless of their position, provide employees the tools, instruction and coaching they need to improve their skill and competency. This encourages a culture of growth and help people realize their potential. Last but not least, in case when they include the forced ranking method into a more comprehensive performance management strategy, combined with other method, include additional technique like goal setting, routine performance review, and development plan to provide staff member access to more thorough system of evaluation and assistance.
Hi, my name is Al-Amani binti Amal Latif. My metric number is 285370. The performance appraisal process, also known as performance evaluation or performance review, is a structured approach to evaluate an employee's job performance and accomplishment. However, in order to develop competency-based performance appraisal system for marketing manager, authors need to practice this effective step in completing the performance appraisal process. The first step is job analysis. This step is important to Proton to know what a market manager job consists of. Job analysis involves systematically gathering and analyzing information about the job to understand the task, responsibilities, skill, and requirement. By conducting a job analysis, Proton can gain a clear understanding of what job entitled and allow them to establish performance expectation and evaluate employee performance accurately. That position needs to be based on the Proton mission, vision, objective, department, and job itself. The next step is developing standard and measurement method. In order to assess performance effectively, it is essential for Proton to have standard of acceptance behavior and method to measure performance. Without clear standard and measurement method, it will be challenging for Proton to evaluate and provide feedback on marketing manager performance. Method to measure performance refer to the specific technique and tool to use to assess the quantify the quality and the effectiveness of individual or teamwork. This method can be including metric, the key performance indicator, performance evaluation, feedback session, and other assessment technique. First, this standard serve a benchmark against which employer can be evaluated. The third step is informal performance appraisal, such as coaching. This is because an appraisal of performance should involve more than just official meeting once or twice a year. The definition of performance evaluation is that is continuous process. Even though official evaluation might happen once or twice a year, people constantly want to know how they are performing. Therefore, coaching plays crucial roles in performance appraisal process as involve continuous communication support, guideline to enhance manager skill, and address any performance issue at Proton. Last but not least is prepare and conduct the formal performance appraisal. An overview of processes needed to carry out a formal performance appraisal. The particular procedure may differ based on Proton policy and practice. Proton can apply this step using a general framework. The particular procedure may differ based on Proton policy and practice. Proton can apply this step using general framework. First is prepare for marketing manager position by review the job description, gathering relevant performance data, and consider feedback. Next is to schedule appraisal meeting by notifying the employee in advance about upcoming performance appraisal meeting and select a suitable time and location for meeting in order to ensure privacy and minimizing interruption. Then conducting the appraisal meeting must be have document the appraisal and follow up in order to provide ongoing support and resource to help employee to achieve their goal. The performance appraisal process should be two-way communication where both the employee and the manager actively participate. In conclusion, Proton can improve the accuracy of performance measurement, leading to effective performance appraisal and ultimately support employee development and organization success.
Metric number 285758. I'm going to talk about competencies to be measured and explain how and why each dimension should be measured. Competencies are often the basis of skill standards that define the level of knowledge, skill, and abilities required for success in the workplace, as well as potential measurement criteria for evaluating the achievement of competencies. Competence is a measure of both proven skill and proven knowledge. The measured competencies of the Proton are technical knowledge and skill, adaptability and flexibility, collaboration and teamwork, problem solving and decision making, leadership and management, and last, communication. This measurement really helped the works of the organizations a lot. And as for the measurement of competencies, it's using intrinsically judgmental method that this method use data provided by individuals who make a judgment regarding the presence of the competency of the company. In other words, the behavior and display by the company of employee are observed and judged by the interviewer. And there are type of system used to evaluate the efficiency of competencies, which are comparative system and absolute system. The comparison system based measurement on comparing employees with each other, while absolute system based measurement on comparing employee with established performance standard. Comparing systems often use methods such as force ranking, rating scale, ratings against a predetermined distribution curve. This is because benchmarking systems allow organizations to identify and differentiate high-performing employees from average or low-performing employees, helping in talent management decisions such as promotions, reward, or development opportunity to the employees. And as for the absolute system, it evaluates employee performance by comparing their actual performance with established performance standards or criteria. These standards can be defined based on job description, key performance indicator (KPI), target or benchmark. This absolute system really focuses on measuring the achievement or competence of employees in relation to predetermined expectation rather than comparing them to other employees. By measuring these competencies, it can say that Proton company can assess the skill and qualities that contribute to individual and organizational success. The assessment method chosen should be aligned with the specific competency so that they will provide reliable and valid results. It is important to company regularly review and update the measurement process to ensure it remains relevant and aligned with company goals and evolving the needs. It is also important to note the organization may choose to use a combination of both comparative and absolute system to assess the efficiency, depending on their specific need and organizational culture. So, the main system is to ensure that the system chosen is transparent, consistent, and aligned with the overall performance management strategy of the organization. That's all.
For performance appraisal method, Proton could use bars, behaviorally and chart rating scale for performance evaluation, which focus on critical behavior for a role. Employees are rated based on their frequency and compared to a dimension to determine overall performance. This objective technique provides targeted feedback to employees to improve their performance. Next is 360-degree feedback. It gathers response from various sources, including employee, manager, colleagues, subordinates, and customer to assess a worker's efficiency and identify areas for improvement. This comprehensive approach helps identify areas for improvement. Then there is goal setting. Goal setting assigns precise, quantifiable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals to employees who are evaluated based on progress toward this objective. This motivates and directs effort toward specific results. Last but not least, self-assessment. Self-assessment is a method for staff members to evaluate their performance using a set of criteria. This approach involves employees evaluating each other and identifying areas for improvement, making it an effective way to involve them in the performance appraisal process. Proton should utilize the performance appraisal method mentioned above to align with organization's goal and objective, ensuring employee performance evaluation is relevant to the organization's success. This aligns with the organization's overall objective and ensures a more effective approach to employee evaluation. Then there is fairness and objectivity. Fairness and objectivity are crucial in performance evaluation, ensuring equal criteria and preventing personal bias from affecting employee performance. Next is employee development. Employee development involves using performance appraisal to provide feedback on skills and knowledge, enabling identification of areas for improvement and developing strategies for improvement. Last but not least, there is the issue of compensation. The performance appraisal method should be used to make employees' compensation decision. Managers can make more informed decisions about how to compensate employees if they understand their performance.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Farisha binti Roslan. My match number 287642. So the picture was a performance appraisal form that we designed and it is suitable for marketing department. So next, I will present about the conclusion. For this assignment, we have agreed to choose the position of marketing manager who is in the Proton company. The position is very suitable for us to choose because Proton nowadays has produced more of their products and services. So to get more information about the position and also the company, we have held an online interview session with the marketing manager for the Proton company branch in the Jitra Kedah. The manager has given some information just as job description and job specification related to the position he holds and also some things related to the performance appraisal system in the Proton company. That's all from me.